Hello students, in this session we will discuss about Kenny-Zero's reaction. Aldehydes which doesn't contain alpha hydrogen atom when treated with strong solution of potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide undergo simultaneous oxidation and reduction forming potassium or even sodium salt of the acid and alcohol. This reaction known as Kenny-Zero's reaction. Okay. Aldehydes which does not contain alpha hydrogen atom. Alpha hydrogen atom is one which is attached to alpha carbon atom. What is alpha carbon atom? The carbon atom which is attached to carbonyl carbon atom. Suppose this is carbonyl carbon atom, CHO. This carbon atom is called alpha carbon atom, and these hydrogen atoms attached to this are called as alpha hydrogen. These are alpha hydrogen atom. 1, 2, 3. The carbon atom that is attached to carbonyl carbon atom is called as alpha carbon atom. If hydrogen atoms are present here, then these are called as alpha hydrogen atom. If the aldehyde that doesn't contain alpha hydrogen atom, when treated with strong solution of potassium hydroxide or even sodium hydroxide, they undergo simultaneous oxidation and reduction. If the aldehyde undergoes oxidation, it forms carboxylic acid. Yes. Then if it undergoes reduction, it gives alcohol. This particular reaction known as Kenny-Zero's reaction. Now we'll write the general reaction. RCHO represents aldehyde that does not contain alpha hydrogen atom. When treated with potassium hydroxide, you are going to get salt of the acid, RCOOK, plus alcohol, RCH2OH. This is aldehyde, potassium salt of carboxylic acid, and this is an alcohol. Now we will discuss one example. When formaldehyde or methanol, example, when formaldehyde HCHO, formaldehyde or methanol, when treated with strong solution of potassium hydroxide, you are going to get potassium salt of formic acid, potassium formate plus methyl alcohol. Let us discuss one more example. When benzaldehyde is treated with strong solution of either potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide, you are going to get benzyl alcohol and potassium or even sodium benzoate. Benzaldehyde reacts with concentrated solution of sodium hydroxide and gives benzyl alcohol and sodium benzoate. This reaction is known as Kenny-Zero's reaction. These are the examples. Here, whenever aldehyde is given and either potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide or any base is given, first you have to see whether it contains alpha hydrogen atom or not. If it contains alpha hydrogen atom, it undergoes Aldol condensation. If it does not contains alpha hydrogen atom, it undergoes Kenny-Zero's reaction. This is about the Kenny-Zero's reaction. Now let us discuss electrophilic substitution reactions. Here, in case of aldehydes, carbonyl group is meta-directing and deactivating group. That means if the carbonyl group is present attached to the benzene ring, the incoming electrophile attacks in the meta position. Next, deactivating, it does not increase electron density in the benzene ring, hence it is called as deactivating group. Here, the carbonyl carbon atom is bonded to electronegative oxygen by a double bond. Since oxygen atom is more electronegative than carbon, the bonded electrons are pulled towards oxygen atom, which pulls pi electrons of benzene ring also. This gives the resonance structures. Now we'll discuss those resonance structures. Now we'll discuss resonance hybrid structures. As oxygen is more electronegative than this carbon, if bonded pair of electrons are drawn towards this oxygen, it also pulls the pi bonded pair of electrons towards itself. Hence, the meta position contains the same electron density, whereas ortho and para positions, they contain less electron density. So it is meta direct and it is also called as deactivating group. Now let us see the movement of electrons. As this is more electronegative, electrons are drawn towards oxygen atom and it pulls the electrons from the pi bonded electrons from this benzene ring, and here ortho position gets positive charge. Then movement of electron takes place like this. You are going to get para position which gets positive charge. Then movement of electron takes place like this. You are going to again one more ortho position gets positive charge. Then movement of electron takes place like this. The pair of electrons from the oxygen forms a bond. Then bonded pair of electrons comes to the benzene ring. You are going to get one more structure. We can write resonance hybrid. Resonance means, yes, resonance hybrid means it is a mixture of all these canonical structures. It indicates that ortho and para position, they are having less electron density, whereas electron density in the meta position remains same. Hence, incoming electrophile attacks meta position at a meta position of the benzene ring. Hence, it is called as meta directing group. As it does not have, it increases the electron density in the benzene ring, so this is also called as deactivating group. It is also called as deactivating group. Now we'll discuss nitration of benzaldehyde. Nitration of benzaldehyde. When benzaldehyde is a mixture of benzaldehyde, C6H5CHO, benzaldehyde reacts with a nitrating mixture of concentrated HNO3 and concentrated sulfuric acid at temperature 273 to 283 Kelvin. As we have studied, it is meta directing. Incoming electrophile NO2 attacks the meta position NO2. So we are going to get meta-nitrobenzaldehyde. Meta-nitrobenzaldehyde. This is benzaldehyde. This is about nitration of benzaldehyde. Now we'll discuss uses of methanol, or it is common name is formaldehyde formula HCHO. First use, it is used as preservative for biological and anatomical specimens. 40% solution of formaldehyde, that is formalin, is used to preserve the biological and anatomical specimens, which makes tissues hard. The specimens gets preserved. Now, second use, it is used as disinfectant. Used as a disinfectant. 3. Used for tanning leather, tanning in the leather industry. 4th one, for sterilizing surgical instruments. For decolorizing vat dyes, that is next use. Next, for making mirrors using Tollens reagent. Next use in the preparation of RDX by the nitration of urotropin under controlled condition. Next use in the preparation of urotropin, which is a urinary antiseptic. Urotropin is hexamethylene tetramine. Next use in the production of bakelite, which is a condensation polymer of phenol and formaldehyde. These are some of the uses of formaldehyde. Now we'll discuss uses of benzaldehyde. It is used as a flavoring agent. Flavoring agent for the synthesis of organic compounds like cinnamic acid, cinnamaldehyde, etc. Third one, in the perfume industry. Fourth use, in the manufacture of dyes like malachite green. These are some of the uses of benzaldehyde. Now let us see uses of acetophenone. Acetophenone is used as hypnotic, that is sleep inducing drug under the name Hypnone. Second use, in perfume industry. Next use, in the preparation of phenyl chloride, which is being powerful lacrimator, is used as tear gas to disperse the mobs. This is about uses of acetophenone. That ends the chapter aldehydes and ketones.